Today, Domini Pizza shows you how to make pizza easily at home. First, we need the dough nice and smooth to make the perfect crust. Next, add the tomato sauce on top. More sauce makes it tastier. Now we sprinkle lots of cheese on top. Then place the sausage slices and spread them all around. Finally, put the pizza in the oven and wait for it to bake. And here we have it, the most delicious pizza to enjoy.
Seriously? This can never be called the delicious pizza at all.
Oh.
I have an idea. We should build a professional pizza making line.
Yeah, great idea.
How to build the pizza production line. Machine number 1, pizza spin and slide. The pizza crust will be placed on the rotating platform, and it will be moved along the sliding rail. Machine number 2, sauce spreader. This sauce spreader machine will spread tomato sauce onto the pizza crust. Machine number 3, cheese sprinkler. First, I'll make a conveyor from these pulley wheels. The motor. Tread links. Then, make a frame that holds the cheese. Now I place it onto the gantry frame along with the sauce spreader. Shredded cheese. I'll use the same machine for dropping the vegetables. Machine number 4, veggie conveyor. Cucumber and carrot. Machine number 5, pepperoni dropper. Pepperoni out. The machine will need a sliding arm to push each pepperoni slice down. Add the motor. Connect to the battery box. Pepperoni in. Formex slices. Now, place it onto the gantry frame along with the veggie conveyor. Pepperoni slices.
Inside the pizza workshop. Great, all the machines are ready. First, I place a pizza crust on the pizza saucer. It will carry the crust to the next machines. Now the sauce blaster will kick in and spread tomato sauce all over the crust. Excellent, thanks to this machine the sauce is spread automatically and evenly on the crust, just as designed. Now our cheese sprinkler starts working. It will cover this pizza crust with the smoothest, most perfect layer of cheese. The cheese is done. Now the pizza crust moves on to the sausage dropper. Our dropper machine places every single sausage slice perfectly, from the outer ring to the very center. Finally, the pizza crust will be covered with fresh sliced vegetables by the veggie sprinkler as the last topping. Nice. Now let's put this raw pizza into the oven.
I will set it to bake for 12 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius.
Wow!
Look, the pizza is ready, Doctor.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Let's enjoy our delicious pizza.
So yummy.
No one here. Let's begin.
Okay.
The fried potatoes taste delicious.
Stop right there, you thieves.
Oh no.
You two will have to work for my pizza factory.
Inside fast food factory.
Let's begin. All right.
The pizza crust is ready.
How to build the topping filling machine. Install the engine. At the topping station. Add the chain. Testing. Add the pizza toppings.
Oh yeah.
That's great. The batch of pizza is done.
Let's move on to making burgers.
2,000 years later.
Boss, can we leave yet?
No, now you have to eat all the food.
What the hell? How?
One pizza, please.
Here you go. Enjoy it.
Whoa!
This pizza looks so yummy, sweetie.
Help me. This pizza's not safe.
How to make a pizza hurt. Stage 1, making the dough.
To make the pizza base, I'll need some dough and a little sea salt. Then pour some water in.
Stage 2, kneading the dough.
I'll use a mixer to combine the dough evenly. The dough base is ready. Stage 3, shaping the dough. I have a rolling pin. Now I'll build a rolling plate. Add the conveyor belt. Add the motors. Then connect rolling pin to rolling plate. Add the battery boxes. Dough in, dough out. My dough sheet is ready. The first piece of dough is done. The next pieces of dough are also continuously cut.
Stage 4, topping the dough.
We're out of sauce. Then I'll use this tomato instead. I'll spread the sauce nice and smooth over the base. Now, time to sprinkle some cheese on top. And of course, the toppings include mushrooms, basil, and sausage slices.
Stage 5, baking the pizza.
The pizza will be baked in the oven at an ideal temperature of 430 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes.
Stage 6, packaging.
My pizza is hot and ready to be served. Thanks. See you next time.
Stop right there. You're under arrest for producing unsafe food.
Ow!
be founded. I'm out of here.
There's no escape. Gotcha.